Hello, my dear young friends. Greetings of peace. Question and answer number 2, taken from the book titled Youth Catechism of the Catholic Church. Why did God create us? God created us out of free and unselfish love. When a man loves, his heart overflows. He would like to share his joy with others. He gets this from his Creator. Although God is a mystery, we can still think about Him in a human way and say, out of the surplus of His love, He created us. He wanted to share His endless joy with us, who are creatures of His love. Thus, a distinguished bishop, brilliant spiritual guide, founder of a religious community, and doctor of the church named Saint Francis de Sales said, "The measure of love is to love without measure." God bless you.